What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you the best online wireframe tool. So basically you use this to design applications, web apps, phone apps, things like that. This is my favorite one in my opinion because it's free. You don't have to download anything. You can use it in the browser, but if you want, you can also download the desktop app for it. So it's called Figma, figma.com. Basically just go in here and type www.figma.com. And yeah, you'll be brought to a sign-in page, a sign-up page. Make sure you create an account first, and then you can access Figma itself. So once you've created your account, you can just create a new design. As you can see, I have some designs here that I used for work, but yeah, so create a new design. You can create a blank design file, a FigJam file, or you can import something, or you can browse some templates. I like to browse the templates because as you can see, there is a bunch of different things here for you to use, but most importantly, you can use different sizes. So as you can see here, desktop, this is for desktop applications, iPhone, whatever. So I'm just going to click on desktop, use this template. And now once it loads, there's a bunch of different things you can do here. So if you want to create a new page, you can just create a new frame, or you can just copy paste this. So yeah, just copy. You can just Control C and then Control V, and you have two desktops now. You hold Control and scroll out to zoom out, and hold Control and scroll in to zoom in. You hold space, and then you can just click and drag to move around. That's basically the tools in Figma here. And now you can just create a bunch of different things. So rectangles, lines, arrows, text boxes, drawing, and you can import images, things like that. But let me just create like a button really quick. So I'm just going to create a rectangle. I'm going to click Control, zoom in, and as you can see on the corners here, you can just drag these in and change the radius to make it look more like a button. Now I'm going to drag a text box here and create text and put this as "This is my button." Okay, and now if I want to change the font of this guy, you can obviously change it in the right hand side here where you see the properties. 96 is too big. Let's do 72. Let's drag this to make it better sized. Okay, and what's cool about Figma is, yeah, this is a text item and then this is a rectangle, but you know, let's say I want to pair these together and move them around together. I'm going to right click the rectangle and click group selection. Now it's in a group. I can drag the text in this group, and I'm going to rename this group as my button. And here we go. So now we have a button element that I've created on the screen. I can drag it around. And you can do this with a bunch of different things. You can create your own tabs. You can create your own screen designs. You have all the tools you need. You can insert items. You can place images. You can drag. You can add pen pencil marks. I don't really recommend using the pen and pencil because it's freehand. But also what is cool about this is, so if I click on this element and then I click on inspect in the top right up here, you can see the CSS. So if you want to start developing this into a web app, basically you can just finish your screen designs and then copy paste the CSS into your CSS files, and everything will work because I've done this before. So my opinion, this is the best wireframe tool online. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.